2026 and you're still washing your car the old school way. With all the new car care products on the market, it's easier than ever to keep your car looking brand new forever. Join me as I show you how to wash the all-new Tesla Model Y. Alright, so you're going to need a hose, a good nozzle, 2 buckets, some sort of spray wax, pressurized sprayer bottle for the spray wax, some car wash detergent, glass cleaner, one of these long car wash brushes that you can attach a hose to, some spray foam, tire shine, a squeegee, just kidding. You're going to need none of this because it's 2026 and it's much easier. Actually, you're going to need some of it. And you're gonna need a lot less gear to wash your car these days. A lot less. And it starts with one product that I definitely recommend, and it's right here. Ta-da! Check it out, guys. It's called Maxil One, and I'll have a link in the description below where you can get it. But let me tell you right now, it's not cheap, right? This bottle is around $70, but let me tell you, it's worth every damn penny. Let me show you why. All you gotta do is find the piece you wanna clean, and you literally just spray around the area, the panel that you want to clean. In this case, we're cleaning the hood, and you just spray this stuff and you get yourself a microfiber towel. You literally just wipe all the dirt off. Look at that. This stuff is really powerful, you guys. So you just literally wipe everything off, and that's it. No more freaking hoses, no more drying. You just spray this stuff on and literally wipe it off. It's that easy, y'all. Look at all this bug juice just easily coming off. Spray 1, 2, and literally wipe it off. And that's it. How awesome is that? It goes on all the surfaces too, and also works on the interior. Can you believe it? There's a lot of bug juice in this front bumper. There's a bug cemetery right here. So now, just gotta wipe off the rest of the car. So not only does the Maxil One clean the surfaces of the car, it also coats it in what they're calling the Tri-Phene technology, which is essentially a coating that repels water, and it gives it a really nice shine, and it lasts quite a long time. I know $70 a bottle is quite expensive, but stick around to the end where I show you how I make this bottle last for a whole year, where you can wash your car almost every other week. All right, so now we're moving on to the glass. So I got my handy dandy squeegee over here. Wait, are you kidding me? It's 2025. You don't need this anymore. Now all you need is this. Link in the description, y'all. This is a product by Rain-X, and it's not too expensive, and it's a 2-in-1 glass cleaner. And what it does, it cleans the glass and it puts another surface on it to make the water bead. Again, theme of this video, you want the water to bead away from the car and not to dry on the car. Same thing with your windshield. This applies a surface onto the glass that just makes it slide off, makes the water just slide right off. So this is the Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner. Link in the description, y'all. So I lied a little bit. Every now and then you gotta bust out the bucket. And that's for cleaning the wheels and tires, of course. Because ain't no way just wiping them down is gonna be good enough. And also in the wheel wells. We've been through a couple of road trips and it's getting a little filthy in there. So let's go ahead and clean them up. I got some Meguiar's Gold Class. This is really good stuff right here, especially for the wheels. Really nice shine. And get yourself a nice wheel cleaning brush. Again, I'll have the link in the description below. All right, so I'm using the 2-bucket method, where I got a clean bucket and a dirty bucket. Where I got a dirty bucket where I clean the brush, and I got the clean bucket where I reapply soap. Got the wheels and tires all clean, just need to make them look new. So what I got here is some hot shine foam from Meguiar's, linked in the description. All we need to do is just spray it on the tires and it cleans it and leaves a nice shine afterwards. so we're done with the wheels and tires. They're nice and shiny. It's been a couple of weeks since we hit it with the Maxwell 1 and it's a bit dirty now. So every couple of weeks when it gets dirty, you guys gotta hit it with this stuff. This is the Rain-X waterless car wash and rain repellent. Link is in the description. This one you just gotta wax it on with one rag and then wax it off with another rag. To recap, you're gonna want to hit it with a Maxwell 1 initially, and this one cleans and gives it that hydrophobic coating and also that nice shine. So you're gonna want to use this, I would say, every couple of months, and then every time it gets dirty, I recommend this, the Rain-X waterless car wash and rain repellent. So every time it gets dirty, every couple of weeks, I use this guy. And for the glass, I use the Rain-X 2-in-1 glass cleaner and rain repellent. For the wheels, I use the Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. Really brings out the shine in the wheels. And for the tire shine, I use this Meguiar's Hot Shine Foam. You just spray it on and it does the work for you. It's pretty good. Other than that, you're gonna need some microfiber towels and 2 buckets. And like I said, everything will be in the description below. Thanks for joining me to wash my new Tesla. Peace.
Thanks for tuning in to AK Thoughts. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe.